How to use TikTok effects. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will guide you on how you can use several effects that is provided on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order for TikTok filters to work properly, I want you to actually update the TikTok app to the latest version, and only once you've updated it, just go ahead and launch TikTok. So let's say that you want to actually go ahead and then post a new photo or video. I'll just tap on the plus button over here. You can just go ahead and try to select a specific video. In this case I'll just choose upload, let's say, and then I can just select a photo. But if you want to choose an effect, just go to the effects tab over here. So once I can just come to the effects tab, you have different types of effects available. Now different types of effects will require you to perform certain types of actions. Some effects will try to require you to pull out your tongue. Some effects will try to require you to just face certain direction. Some effects will try to do you to just conduct some activities depending upon what you want. It says upload a photo and then tap to transfer, and then you also have some other uploads that you might want to use. Depending upon whichever type of filter you want, you can just go and apply them, because you can see trending, games, tools, new green screen effect. If you want to upload some photos, you can see funny, you can see atmosphere, appearance, and so on. Basically there are so many that you can actually choose from, and depending upon which one you want, you can just go ahead and then use them. Now let's say after you've taken a photo and now you want to go ahead and then actually add some filters to it or effects to it, you can still do that from the effects tab from the top right, and then choose an effect for yourself such as these. Or else if you want to add filters, tap on filters tab, go ahead and choose whichever filter is convenient and just choose the intensity of that filter. This is basically how you can use TikTok effects. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.